Hi, I'm Shem and I'm here to tell you how to connect your Goldilocks device to an Apple device. If you do have an Android device, you'll need to watch the other video. But by all means, if you have any questions or any problems, don't hesitate to reach out to us. We're more than happy to help. When you join the Goldilocks family and you get your Goldilocks device, we'll send you an email with a download link. So we'll go to your emails and click on the link. It will then install it and you press open. So it's required for the app to allow location, Bluetooth and notifications to make it work best. So make sure you allow all of them.
To set up a new account, you need the Goldilocks module powered on and within 30 centimeters of your phone. This is a security thing so that not just anyone can create an account. So when you do have the Goldilocks device close and powered on, the create new account will turn blue and you can just click on that.
Now it will ask you for a username. So this is a username for your account. So enter your username that you want it, then press OK. So then you'll have to put a password in and press OK. So then you'll come to the terms and conditions. Have a good read of these and then press accept terms and conditions. So that's how you set up a new account. If you say want to share the Goldilocks information with a partner or friend or family, they'll need to go through the same process of downloading the Goldilocks app. Use your username and your password so that you can share your information with them.